any freaking question about Goyard, ask me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are doing another luxury unboxing today. Different spot, probably same outfit. Different bag, probably same outfit. If you guys are new here, my name is Mayank and I am a luxury shopaholic, enthusiast slash crazy person. Obsessed with designer stuff. Especially this lovely company. Unboxings, reviews, chit-chatting with me. So if that's something you're interested in, please hit the like, subscribe, share, all those kind of things, and check it out. We'll see, you know, what's going on. And my little pup, he's in the mirror. We got a different size bag today from oh, he's gonna just have to sit. So another unboxing from, okay, we're doing another unboxing from Goyard. This one, it's a different size bag, right? It's not too big, it's not too small, it's just right. Goldilocks is just right. We got this medium sized bag. So let's find out what's inside. Like, again, I love this brand. I cannot stop talking about it. I love it so much. I love it so much. I'm going to Paris again to get more. Okay, so without further ado, this is gonna be a new bag for my permanent collection. Let's unbox. Oh, that feeling when you just open it, oh, it's the best. Isn't it the best? I love shopping so much, it's really bad. Okay. Does this make me look cooler? I think it does. If you guys know me, you know I like to keep the stickers intact. Wow. What have we got in here? It's not a tote. I'll tell you that much. It's not a backpack. I'll tell you that much. But it is beautifully wrapped. Well, it was beautifully wrapped. It came undone. It's like every day is Christmas. Oh. Okay, guys. So this is my new. Oh, look at how well she tied it. Thank you, R. So cute. Ow, that really hurt. Oh, this is tight. Oh, freedom. She free. It's a new bag. It smells real new. I just got this yesterday. So I wanted a crossbody, not too big, not too small, with a lot of compartments. And my options, there were three. There's a PLUMET, which is like a wallet on a strap. Then there is the Vert, which is like a camera bag. And then there's the BELVEDERE, which is like a structured. They all have straps, all can be crossbody. And who did we get? Who did we get? Who did we get? We got the Vert in black and brown. This doesn't really help towards my collection of having one bag in every color, because I already have black brown, but it's just so nice. And it's cheaper at black brown, and you know I'm a stingy bitch. Oh, okay. So let's talk about the bag. We have one pocket in here, a little yellow outside pocket, buttes, got brown lining, got two side straps, zipper still protected. Oh, yeah. We got the little tag in here with all the info. It says Goyard. There's all the info there. Should I do that thing where you like hold it up? I hate doing that. It's so much. Do you guys really care? I don't know. Do you? Got the strap in here. Okay. Oh, the strap is still wrapped in its plastic and I love it. So you got that one end of the strap it's attached, right? It doesn't come off, it looks like. So you can't just hold it like a clutch. The PLUMET you can, but it's literally just a wall bag. So you got two straps here, and then you can tie them together for size. There's like, you know, different holes, like a belt. See which size you want. This is literally, I've never seen it this brand new. We got our stuffing inside. Got our little Goyard. Tells you about Goyard. Goyard. And then it's got, okay, so it's like lined inside with cloth. Yellow cloth. Pretty spacious, you guys. Pretty roomy. There's one pouch in here, but it's not zippered. It's just an open pouch in here. There you go. And yeah, I mean, it's probably like it's a decent size. I mean, you can put your wallet, your phone, your keys, some stuff, all your stuff in here. It's pretty decent size. One zipper. Zippity zip. Oh. Now, I will put the deets. It's now 1870 plus tax. It used to be 17 something, so it went up. Goyard's price increases just happened in January. Most of the things went up like, I want to say they went up like 3%, maybe 3 to 5-ish, somewhere around there. I'm looking for the little date code to see what year and month it was made, because that's my favorite thing to do, is always know exactly when it was made. It might be on the strap, actually. Let's talk about the details of the strap. You got 2 straps. At this side with the buckle, and it says Goyard Paris on here. Oh, it's so shiny and new. Ooh, ah, shiny and new. Oh. All right, nothing there. And then it's got this probably to like hold it in place. Strongly held on this side, strongly held on this side. Maybe it's on this side. Let's see if those dates code. They're kind of hard to see sometimes, so maybe it doesn't have a date code, this bag. No, it's gotta have a date code. I will report back later where the date code is, because I can't seem to find it. But you guys, oh, the stitching is just so perfect. Like every stitch is so even. It looks like a work of art. Okay, it says Goyard Paris inside. It says made in France. Oh, there it is. Found it. Okay, so this is a 12-20-20 bag. Hello, baby. I'm gonna put the strap together so you can see it. I like to keep the plastic on until I'm actually gonna use the bag, and this bag is gonna be for vacations because it's a small cutie trip bag. That's perfect for vacations. Plus, I don't want to leave those size marks stuck here forever. You're gonna have to get that. Up, up, up. I wonder if you guys can just see me in this mirror. Oh my god, look at that. I don't need it, but this is a really great size. Okay. Questions, comments, thoughts? If you have any questions about Goyard, if you guys have literally any questions about Goyard, let me know. I have all the answers. I have most of the answers. If you have any freaking questions about Goyard, ask me. I'm going to start posting so many more videos of these. And other brands. And there's not much market of guys. I'm a Goyard guy. I'm a gay Goyard guy. I'm a Goyard guy. Goyard guy? Goyard guy. Should that be my new name? Should that be my new name for YouTubes? Yeah. Tips, meat tips, got tips. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. And so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. If you have any questions about this company, anything like that, please leave them in the comments below. I answer every single comment. Thank you guys so much. If you like this video, please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, please share with your enemies and your exes. Thank you guys so much. Bye!